Welcome to AutoMax, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we take a deep dive into the 2025 Audi S8, a luxury performance sedan that blends power, technology, and comfort like never before. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi S8 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering an impressive 563 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring exceptional handling and acceleration. The S8 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds, making it one of the quickest full-size luxury sedans on the market. Audi has enhanced the S8's ride quality with predictive active suspension, which adjusts automatically to road conditions for a smoother experience. The rear-wheel steering system improves maneuverability at low speeds and stability at high speeds, making the car more agile despite its size. The standard sport differential enhances cornering performance by distributing torque between the rear wheels for better grip and control. The 2025 S8 continues to set new benchmarks in luxury with a meticulously crafted interior. Premium Valcona leather upholstery, massaging seats, and an extended ambient lighting package create a first-class atmosphere. The dual-screen MMI touch response infotainment system provides seamless access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings, while the fully digital Audi virtual cockpit keeps essential driving information within the driver's line of sight. A Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. Advanced technology takes center stage with Audi's latest driver assistance systems. Adaptive Cruise Assist, Lane Keeping Assist, and a 360-degree camera system provide enhanced safety and convenience. The Night Vision Assistant with infrared technology detects pedestrians and animals in low-light conditions, adding an extra layer of security. The S8 also features Car2X communication, allowing it to receive real-time traffic and hazard updates for a more connected driving experience. On the exterior, the 2025 S8 boasts a bold yet elegant design. The signature single-frame grille, sleek LED matrix headlights, and OLED taillights give it a commanding presence. Standard 21-inch alloy wheels and subtle S-badging highlight its performance-oriented character. With its perfect balance of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Audi S8 continues to define what a high-performance luxury sedan should be. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, test drives, and comparisons on AutoMax. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on the world's finest automobiles.